Hey guys, what is up? It is Karen, aka cakedbabyk, and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is the second installment of my festival series. I know I've been slacking on them and I'm sorry. But hey, this is still in time for Coachella, so you can't get too mad at your girl. We are going to be doing a tutorial on this look today. I love it. It's super cute, super fun, super colorful, and it has like these little gems right here. I don't know if you guys can see that right now, but you'll see once we start this tutorial. So with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I'm starting out with my fluffy BH brush and just taking this yellow shade and really just diffusing it all up, almost all the way to the brow, because we do want this to be very blown out. And I'm just doing windshield wiper motions like so, and then also doing circular motions more at the top to really blend that out. And I'm dipping back into that yellow and just really adding more pigment, just because yellow is just such a hard color to show up. We really want to pack it on there. Next, I'm taking my Morphe, what brush is this? M514 with that orange shade, and we're just going to deepen the crease a little bit. And again, just doing windshield wiper motions. Ooh, look at that blend. She blends real good. After every color I add, I like to go back in with the previous one on the previous brush and just really blend that out and make sure there's no lines of demarcation. So once again, just blending that out with that BH brush. Going back in with that Morphe M514, now I'm taking that pink shade and just doing the same thing. Really just deepening that crease out. I swear, this palette is so pigmented. If y'all are sleeping on Juvia's Place palettes, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Again, taking that BH brush. All right, now I'm just taking a little bit of my base and we are going to cut the crease. It's gonna be a half cut crease, as you can see on my example right here. I'm taking it on a concealer brush from Le Beau Soir, and we're just gonna start cutting this crease, y'all. What I like to do stamping motions and then slide it in. So stamp, in, stamp, in, and then just round that out. Now I'm taking this green shade on my finger and we're just gonna pack that in. Look at that. Ooh, just. And for the tops of that crease, we're just going to take this flat shader brush and really pack it in there. Next, we're gonna go in with this pink shade and just put that on the rest of where we cut the crease, just dabbing it in there. And with that same brush, just on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing with the top, just because my grubby little fingers can't get in there. Taking a little bit more of the green and just swiping that over where the two colors meet, just to make sure that it really gets that blend. Now taking that same Morphe M514 and dipping into that purple, and just deepening out that outer corner one last time. And I just have a baby wipe here and I'm just going to clean up the fallout underneath my eyes. Oh, I forgot the inner corner. Duh. I'm taking my Morphe E36 and we're just going to pop that into the inner corner. Hello, pigment. So here comes the fun part. I have these little gems and I bought these in a set off of Amazon, and if I can find it, again, I'll link it down below for you, but these are literally, I feel like they're so easy to find. They're like these little gems with flat backs, so they're super easy to glue down. And I'm just taking my Duo eyelash adhesive. What I like about this eyelash glue is that it has a tip, so it's really easy to just dot it straight on your eye. And I put the glue on before because that way it has time to get tacky and it'll still stick. So we're just gonna go in with a bunch of gems right now and just kind of disperse the color out a little bit. Okay, so now that we've got the gems on, I'm going to be right back and do the rest of my face makeup, so I'll see you in 1 second. Okay, y'all, the rest of my face is done. I'm going to bring you back in so we can do the bottom of the eyes, and I hate this noise. I'm taking a City Colors CC B103 brush. It's like another flat shader brush, and we're just gonna go below the eyes and just really connect it to what is over here. So just taking that orange shade and sweeping that under, and then taking that pink shade, doing the same thing, and then finally we're gonna add the yellow at the bottom. And then just a little bit of purple just at the outer corner. And now we're gonna do that on the other eye. So now the eyes are pretty much done besides lashes and mascara, but we are going to go ahead and do the rest of the face. So I'm just taking an angled contour brush from that BH set, and we're just gonna dip into this pink dude right here very, very lightly. And we're just going to dab this right at the temples. Kind of use that as your bronzer or your contour per se. Just kind of sweeping it in circular motions. And now I'm taking that pink shimmer shade that we put down in our crease or on our lid and taking that onto a fan brush. This one is from Le Beau de Soie. It's the same set as the concealer brush that I used, and we're just going to use this as a highlight. Down the tops of the cheeks. You see that? That is so pretty. The shade is everything. It has like a very golden undertone. It's so pretty. Is that not everything? Look at that. All right, so now that that is all complete, we are going to pop on a lip, a lash, some brow gel, and I will be right back. All right, guys, popped on a lash, popped on a lip, and this is the completed look. I really love this one. I think it's super fun, it's super colorful, but it's also not too much, you know? Like, I'm looking at my viewfinder and it doesn't really seem like it's a lot, but like up close, you can see the gems and all the goodies. This is what it looks like up close. I love the little gems. I think they make the entire look. I mean, you're going to a festival, you gotta have some type of glitter or some type of gem. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm hoping to do another festival look soon. I know Coachella is coming up, what, is it this weekend? I know there's 2 weekends, I just don't know which ones. I'm hoping to have another tutorial up for you guys soon before Coachella is over, and I know there's gonna be a lot of music festivals throughout the summer. So with that being said, this tutorial is finished. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good, and I'll see you guys in my next one.